with Soft Squares. I am going to be continuing the tutorial series for this Jingle Bell Pines block of the month. If you get the pattern and the kit from me, well, if you get the kit from me, you're going to get everything. It comes in a box like this while supplies last as far as boxes. All your fabrics there, it's all labeled. It looks just like what they got, but we're using variety like colors. It's going to have the same look to it. And my blocks I've already been making are in here. This is block 7. So go back and watch the first 6 videos and see how we got to this point. But today we are bringing block 7, which is the Rose Star. And it's that. This pattern is put together by Coffee Clatch, which is a collaboration of 2 designers. It's Kate Colleran and Chris Poor of Poorhouse Designs. And so the 2 designers have done a couple of things. One of them, I did a similar tutorial series last fall of their Happy Hallows quilt block, and you can see that video series. But their blocks are adorable. They're quilts, and they come together really nice and easy. So we're on to block 7. And it looks like there's just one. I've cut all my fabrics, so everything is cut and ready to go. Use this as a guide. There will be stickers on your stuff, but since I don't have my stickers out and I've already cut, this is my reference right now. It's really good. So A is the white. That's good. There's my white. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is, I believe everything is cut. I did this a little while ago. So we're going to start with the block. So it tells me to take a square of A, grab 2 A's, and these happen to both be the right size, and make 4 half square triangle units. Fabric 2 is the dark green, which is this one. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 sets of half square triangles. On those, press. You can draw your line. I like pressing. Okay, so I got these 2 ready to go. And we'll stitch as many things at the same time as we can. And then we're going to cut 4 half square triangles out from that. Next, we're going to take our B fabric, and these are the same size. So let's take 4. Look at that. There's 4. And add it to E. And let me just make sure E is the lighter green. All right, so these go here. Those ready to go. Now we're going to take 2 red, and we're going to pair it with the dark green. Now I don't have any more dark green, so that tells me I did not cut enough. Well, I know where to get more. Right here. And it is this one. Yep. If I have any scraps. Oh, that was there. And then we're going to make some more half square triangles. It says we're going to take this, and there's only one, and we're going to pair it with this one and do the same thing. So I'm going to press it. Okay, here's one more. No, G is blue. I did not need this. I got one for later. This is G. You know, the pictures are the right colors as well as identifying, and I thought that was strange that it was. Oh, my iron has decided to cool down. So I'm going to take this and another big white one using G and 1 I, H-I. I is yellow. I am missing a yellow. All right. So I just need one. So this and this are going to get paired up along with these two, and then we're going to put those four together. Then we're making rail units. We're going to pair these guys up. There's going to be 4 sets of the blue with the white. That's pretty much all we're sewing other than assembling our blocks. So let's get to it. Well, I take it back. We have to make a pinwheel with these 2 blocks. And I don't need these. I don't know. Or maybe I do, but later. Okay, now I got it. And that's the dark blue. I do need these. Oh, this is the center of the block. So that one actually is going to stay there. And then two square blue, one. Oh, sorry, this is the center. This is the other one. I don't know where this one goes. Oh, I do. It goes to the yellow. Okay. Yellow, I just didn't have enough to start out with. This is actually supposed to be this one. And I am missing a white one. Yellow and white go together. Then we're going to add those 2 and those 2. I don't know how I'm so short, but that's all right. Who knows what I was doing or thinking? So now I have all my little groupings. block. Be sure to follow instructions and sew the right colors together. It took me a little bit to get the yellow and white blocks. I don't know what was going on. But this is it. I will square it up later when I have all my blocks together. And it is about what it should be. But I'm going to leave it right now. On to the next one. See you guys in the next video.
Soft square, soft and bright, stitching smile.